Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup AWS EFS to Amazon S3 via lifecycle export strategy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS management console. Navigate to the Amazon Elastic File System service. Locate the file system you wish to backup. Verify that you have the necessary permissions to access both EFS and S3. Open the AWS Lambda console to create a new Lambda function. Choose a Python runtime for your Lambda function. Select the option to author from scratch. Provide a suitable name for your Lambda function. Assign an execution role that has permissions for EFS and S3 access. In the Lambda function code, import the necessary libraries. Write a function to list the files within your EFS. Implement logic to copy those files to the designated S3 bucket. Test the function to ensure it correctly transfers files. Next, set up an Amazon CloudWatch events rule. This rule will trigger your Lambda function on a schedule. Define the frequency at which you want the backup to occur. Return to the AWS Management Console. Now, proceed to create a lifecycle policy for your EFS. Select your EFS file system and click on the Management tab. Click on the Lifecycle Management section. Set the policy to transition files to S3 after a specified period. Review and save your changes. Monitor the CloudWatch logs for the Lambda function. Check the designated S3 bucket to ensure files are being backed up as expected. Periodically review your lifecycle policies to adjust as needed. Ensure that your Lambda function runs smoothly without interruptions. This completes the detailed guide on backing up AWS EFS to Amazon S3. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.